season, I used a new company to install my dock. They did a great job given the fact that none of the stanchions were labeled and the lake level was really high when the dock was put in. As a result, a few of the stanchions didn't have enough excess on the top to install the custom bumpers that I built. After thinking about solutions for a while, I decided, let's give it a try. The stanchions for my dock are made of varying lengths of 1.5" Schedule 40 galvanized pipe. With that in mind, I headed over to my local big box store and picked up a length of 1.5" and a length of 1.25" Schedule 40 galvanized steel pipe. I started by cutting about an 8" piece off the 1.25" pipe. I then cut about a 2-foot length off the 1.5". The inside diameter of the 1.5" Schedule 40 pipe is about 1.61 inches, and the outer diameter of the 1.25" pipe is about 1.66 inches. Using the lathe with the 3-jaw chuck, I turned down the 1.25" pipe until it was able to just slip inside the 1.5" pipe. I didn't spend a lot of time dialing this in. My goal was just to have it true enough so it wasn't wobbling all over the place. To the keen-eyed out there, this is a lot of unsupported stick out, but I made light cuts and I'm not terribly concerned with dead-on tolerances. Some may also note that by doing this, I'm removing the galvanized coating on the pipe and it will rust. This is most certainly true, but I have plans to use this for one season, so I'm not too terribly concerned about it. In fact, I made some makeshift repairs to the dock to get me through this season. I'll leave a link above to that video. I used a cutting from the larger pipe as a go-no-go gauge. I had to remove the piece to check the fit on the actual dock and found it was too tight, so I had to rechuck and remove some more material. I decided to leave that shoulder with the bit larger diameter, as that measurement fit the go-no-go gauge perfectly. The easiest way to secure the pipe onto the large pipe was to use plug welds. Here I'm making and punching the locations for those holes, just eyeballing it is good enough. I drilled 3 holes, each a 1/2 inch, using 3 bit sizes to get there. If you're enjoying this video, please strike a like, I'd really appreciate it. I made sure to grind off the galvanizing before I did the welds. Fumes are quite dangerous to breathe in. I did a quick check to get things relatively square and proceeded to perform less than stellar welds, but good enough for this purpose. The existing pipe had a bend that wouldn't allow the extension to slide in all the way, but the bumper went in fine and it's not going anywhere. I ended up making 2 of these extensions and they're doing the job. I didn't put a lot of time into them because I thought next season might see a new dock, perhaps a new video as well. Until next time, I'm mainejason. Get out there and give it a try.